This video is for how to connect a charm or a shrinky dink or something to a keychain. So first you're going to need to collect your supplies. So you're going to need 2 pairs of pliers. Now these are called flat nose pliers and these are called needle nose pliers. It doesn't matter if you have which kind, you just need 2 pairs of pliers. Okay, 2 pairs. And then you need your keychain that you're attaching it to. You need a jump ring. This is called a jump ring or a open ring, okay? And then you need your either your shrinky dink or your charm or whatever it is that you're putting on your keychain. So you're gonna start by connecting your pieces of your keychain. So this is a large jump ring and you're just gonna open that up and slide that on there. You've probably done this before, okay? And then to connect your charm to this, you're gonna use this open ring, okay? And you're gonna use your pliers to hold one side of it. You're gonna put your charm on, your charm or your shrinky dink or whatever it is. And then you're gonna put the other end of the keychain on. And you're gonna use your pliers to hold the 2 ends of the open jump ring, and you're gonna slide them towards each other. Use your pliers to bend that ring until they're closed. And then when they're closed or close to close, you can also use a pair of flat pliers to kind of squeeze them. Sometimes the metal is a little bit resistant to bending, and so you need to kind of go back and forth, bending it a few times to get it to stay. And then squeeze it nice and flat. And now you have your charm on your keychain. And you can repeat that if you want to add more charms or shrinky dinks to one keychain, you can.